How to add Okx Wallet Extension. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add extension. First of all, open the application. Now here on the left top, you can see this dot icon. Simply tap on it. Now here, this is your profile settings. Here, if you scroll down, you'll be able to see the option called Okx Wallet. Simply tap on Okx Wallet. So you're into a different interface now. So this is the extension version of the wallet of this application. Here you can even add it to a backup, and all the trainings that you do will be saved here. So try making this wallet in order to save all the amount or the money you earn from trading. So here you can see this is the interface where you can make managements too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.